really happy to welcome an anchor, a person who is a, a actor, a writer, a social activist, uh, cook, mother, loving wife. These are all the things that they told me to say. This is a teleprompter. There's a teleprompter.
Oh, there is. I can see that because I've been told that there is a. Sorry. Continue.
But let me formally.
ऊपर देख के जो बोलते हैं ना वो हमेशा झूठ बोलते हैं. When you have to look like that to remember everything, just remember it's a lie. That's the rule of thumb.
But Mini Mathur, welcome to Kuch To Karona.
Thank you for having me. I hope we're going to have a lot of fun. You have a lot of people watching. Thank you all for being here.
I was going to say Mini Ma'am, but you look so young, so then I didn't say Mini Ma'am. Plus, you're only 192 years old. So
there is a reason my name is easy to pronounce. There is a reason my name is Minnie. It's a Disney character, for heaven's sake. Not that it was conceived with Minnie Mouse in mind, but I would just love it if you called me Minnie. I think that would be great.
Okay, so we will remove
एक
the
बार
Mini Ma'am.
collectively end में बोल देना, ठीक है?
Okay, done. Okay, super. Okay, but tell me, how are you spending your quarantine? How are you spending your quarantine? क्या कर रहे हो?
So now we've just been told that it's for 17 days more or whatever, 14 days more. I was expecting that, and somehow for me, quarantine has not been a bad word, apart from the fact that one was feeling really heavy. That so many others, apart from, like, I find it funny when people call me and say, hey, how are you holding up? How's it going? I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. Dude, I have a house to live in, okay? I have food on the table. I'm blessed, like so many of us who have that. So you should not be asking us. There are people who are suffering and my heart goes out to them. So after I kind of dealt with that and said, okay, you know, what you can do for charity, you're doing, and it kind of, you know, puts your conscience at rest. I have actually been using my quarantine quite productively. Okay, I haven't let it bring me down. Of course, there are days where you say, "Kya ho raha hai? What the hell is going on?" You know, I mean, is this ever going to end? But it's been nice because now I'm doing so many things.
Because I know you log on as every day 7 p.m. You should log on to the show. Then you will feel super nice.
I should know, but at 7 p.m. everyone is going live. The whole world is going live. You open Instagram and boom, red circles everywhere. So I'm like, ये तो television entertainment non-stop hai, and I go put it right back because that's also the time that I get into my kitchen and do some seriously inspired cooking. So 7 o'clock to nahi hoga, but I will go back and watch all your shows, Rishabh.
Then or 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is also fine. Kabhi we come
9 o'clock. Na, when you asked me to come on at 9 o'clock, I was like, yeah, like 20-year-old kids, 9 o'clock. Someone is making dinner. Someone is 9 baje baatein kar rahe. Why? I got work to do, brother. I have to. So ऐसे नहीं होता 9 बजे बैठ के live देख रहे हैं. I'll watch it on my IMUN official.
But today you should give the work to the husband or to
yeah, today husband, son, everyone are it. Everybody's at it.
Everyone. But what's the biggest upside to the pandemic? See, the one good part about you is I remember you, and even today, you're yet always smiling. So I'm sure you're seeing the positive side of this. You're not seeing the glass half empty. You're seeing it half full.
So I always try and see things half, you know, full. If you see it half empty, then you've already lost the battle. Okay. One thing is that I do have, I'm not some positivity devi or anything like that. I have my really low shit days where I feel terrible. But Kabir, my husband, is a very positive guy, and whenever we feel a little low, we just like, he just makes you feel this small for feeling bad about your life. He's like, just count what you have and be happy. What else do you want? So, you know, it's very easy to motivate yourself. I feel every time you feel down, just count the 5 things you're really thankful for and enjoy them. When is this ever coming back? When are you guys going to be able to, you know, okay, you can't hear me?
No, I'm saying the 5 things I'm grateful for. The nose, the eyes. Yeah, the 5 things I'm grateful for, sir. Yeah.
Great, that's a lot of stuff. तुम्हारी तो बहुत sad life होगी फिर.
क्यों?
This is what you're grateful for. क्यों?
Arey, Baba. This is the most important stuff. Like if you have.
Look at that view behind you, privileged kid. Look at that sea. Just be privileged about that. You wake up and look at the sea and the skies necklace, and you're very lucky. So anyway, to come back to how you can really feel good about yourself, I think going back to pandemic learnings, I think it's a great time to keep yourself motivated. Workout करो, देर से उठो, next Netflix देखो, junk food खाओ. This is valid time for everything. You know, I mean, you're never getting this again. Read your book, binge watch. जो करना है करो. Nobody's gonna give you any angst or trouble, and then you're going right back to your classes or school or job or whatever. You'll be guilty forever. Plus, there's no FOMO. Nobody's partying. You understand?
I'm hoping my mother's listening to you, yeah. Very carefully, she should listen to you.
Why?
Matlab, every day, subah utho, she says, "Why you not getting up at your normal time, Rishabh?" And I'm like, "Arey Baba, but today is like, she's like, today is just a normal day in life. You need to get up at the right time. You need to do so."
Listen, I'm being very cool and all for this show of yours, but I have a 17-year-old son, also a manner. And every day my wake-up call to him is this any time to get up? I'm doing all the jhadu pocha alone. What the hell am I? Everybody
Same.
All that. So
Same.
everyone, see, I'm a witch on a broom mostly. But see, 9 o'clock, kuch to karo na, chatting with Rishabh, I'm
cool and all.
Yeah.
But you have a son who's a 17-year-old manna.
Yes, he is.
And is he watching currently?
He's working out at the moment. Very motivated kid. So he was like, Ayman. Anyway, he's section of OIS MUN, and I know all about you manners and all the wonderful things that you do.
Yay.
And I couldn't say no when you guys asked me.
Yay.
New order in life. It's good. You guys are the ones who are going to change the world.
This
all
is the
my
future.
hopes are with you.
This is the future, guys. This is the future. The future is the people who are MUNing.
Yes.
Yeah. But it's actually true, there's so many kids out there who were MUNers who are today like parliamentarian platform, like in the sense MUN just generally gives a lot of exposure. Have you seen like a difference in your, I know he's participated in an IMON conference, but have you seen a difference in him?
Of course, there was a sea change. I mean, I remember always regretting that I wasn't part of an MUN because it wasn't so big when I was in school. But as soon as he was in grade 6, I was like, this is something you've got to do. And after that, I could see a sea change. Suddenly, our dining table conversation is about world politics and everything else. And then he's been to HMAN China and HMAN Hyderabad and all of that. He's really like living.
HMAN is a taboo word.
Okay. Don't play politics in this, yaar.
I'm just joking, yeah.
So anyway, to answer your question, I've seen the sea change.
You've seen the sea change? You've seen the sea change?
Not that sea change. That's looking like a background that you put in post. Only hote Snapchat filter types. I'm very envious of this view. I'm not talking to you anymore.
Such wala hai, but
look at mine. Freaking crockery.
Yours are very nice, yeah. Yours is very nice. I can see all the brilliant cutlery that you've got from.
Yeah, it's crockery, not cutlery. And but it doesn't compare to your background.
But the second part of what we do is called Tumbi Karuna. Okay.
Okay.
So
let's do it.
What can young people do sitting at home?
Okay, I think it's a great time to focus. Now, I'm not talking about, hey, you can do DIYs and you can make soap and you can make pies and all of that, because that you can do. Everybody knows. You must pick up that one thing that makes you feel AC. Mental health is as important as focus. So my thing is, do that one thing that makes you feel motivated or up. It could be a workout, it could be a book, it could be a binge. It could be something you go and fix yourself a dirty, cheesy, unhealthy sandwich or a Maggie. Do that. But take this time out to just focus. Do that course that you haven't done yet. I mean, I just feel everyone's going to ask you one question. What did you do during the lockdown? So you must have one thing to remember yourself by. Wo to karo, okay? And the rest just bloody divided into 3. One thing is to do academic focus. One thing is to do something that keeps you motivated up here. And the third thing is to just sack out and do what you want.
And eat whatever you like.
Huh?
And eat whatever you like. Eat what you like. I like
Eat
naan.
what you like as long as you're working out.
This is the company I'm trying to get to sponsor us.
Oh, naam batao, naam.
No, Mama. No, Baba. The name of the company is Naach, but nobody sponsors us. It's a.
तो फिर अभी नाम नहीं लेना, जब
नहीं.
पैसे आ जाएंगे तब नाम लेना.
See, this is the reason why she's the actual original host, and I'm doubling up. But you know the cool part about what?
Hey, you have a lot of young people watching this or what? We have a lot of viewers right now.
This is the difference. This is IMON. Welcome to IMON. But you know, in IMON, what we try to do is we try to teach young boys and girls that MUN तो ठीक है, but हम लोग West को copy. We should not just copy the West. We should be a little more Indian. We should
What does that
unite
mean?
the world the Indian way. मतलब अर्थशास्त्र पढ़ के आप कश्मीर का इशू सॉल्व करो.
I'm not fully with you on it. I'm not somebody who says ape the West. But you didn't do enough R&D on me. Now this life is going to go south. No. What I mean is, I agree. I love everything Indian. I'm very proud Indian. And I do believe that we can use our Indianness to advantage. But if you're telling me Arthashastra say like vaccine मिल जाएगा, वो नहीं होगा, ठीक है?
वो नहीं
तो
होगा. वो
जो सब कुछ साथ देखो, जिस चीज में लॉजिक है, जिस चीज में लॉजिक है, हिस्ट्री है, फैक्ट्स है.
I didn't say that. I just said solve Kashmir issue with Arthashastra, Baba. I didn't say vaccine should come with Arthashastra.
नहीं, पर वो एक्सट्रापोलेट होके वही बात हो जाती है कि भैया संस्कृत पढ़ो सब कुछ हो जाएगा.
Sushruta is the one who should be used as an example, not Arthashastra.
You want to continue this line of conversation, you will regret it. Ask me about something else.
But Minnie, what is this? But I like both. I like the West and I like India.
I'm
But
not
I like-
saying
I like India. I'm Indian by heart and international in my mindset. Correct?
India always comes first. Now the thing is, you have to learn it. I mean, that's not something to rejoice about. Every Indian must have India first. As long
was
as you're
worried.
Indian at heart, that's great. But just by picking up on what the West does better than us, it doesn't make you less Indian or less patriotic or less national. Okay? You have to balance it. If everyone's logical, सबको साथ लेके चलो. Okay? ये सेपरेटिस्ट मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता कि हम ये हैं.
वो गलत ही है ना. वो तो IMON के थोड़ी.
और young
गलत ही
people
है.
should not think like this. You should not be about ढोल पीटो अपना और बाकी सब गधे हैं. जी नहीं. सबको एक साथ लेके चलो. उनकी जो स्मार्ट चीजें हैं वो सीखो और अपने ढंग से बोलो.
That is why we called the platform very smartly, because we were calling you, and even otherwise, we've called the platform India's international movement to unite nations. So we want to unite nations, and this is our endeavor to unite nations with your
Doesn't
help.
yoga do that?
That yoga, of course, yoga does.
देखो इंडियन भी है और यूनाइट भी कर रहा है. But the
Yoga does that.
chicken tikka masala also does that.
Listen, I'm a Shuddh Shakahari. but non-vegetarian food. But non-vegetarian food. I know
But
some
India
of my
has a fantastic history of some seriously good non-vegetarian cuisine. Not that I'm endorsing it, but वो भी Indian है.
Correct. Where am I saying no? That is also correct. India is a secular, pluralist, democratic country, which is the idea of India.
Socialist.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bas, okay, bas.
Listen, there are a lot of people who are asking some really sweet questions. You don't ever read them or what?
Okay, I'll read them.
No, don't read them now. Finish your thing and then we'll read them.
Acha, okay, okay. So, apart from this India wala thing, I asked you, ek to you changed the entire thought process, Mini. I was asking you
Sorry,
India wala thing for some
I
other
will be a
reason.
good girl now.
मैं एकदम शराफत के साथ I was asking you a question on Indian food. I was going to come to.
Come to it. I love Indian food. And I
was
cook
going-
amazing Indian food.
I know, because you put up so many of these Instagram posts in the past. You come on so many talk shows and spoken about food. I was going to ask you, saying Indian food,
The
Indian
best.
food,
The best in anywhere in the
घर
world.
में-
Though I love cuisine.
घर में अच्छा खाना कौन बनाता है? You और कबीर?
Kabir is he can boil an egg like the cliche goes, or maybe not even that. But if you could listen, if I had a spouse who was a good cook, why would I bother? So he doesn't bother. So yeah, I definitely cook better than him. And though we are all big foodies, yeah. And though we are all foodies, and wherever we travel, which we do a lot of, we always mostly never, like, I hate Indian food outside India. You know what I mean? Because I know the real Indian food. मैं बाहर जाके इंडियन खाना नहीं खा सकती, गंदा सा पराठा,
घर का खाना,
हाँ, घर का खाना या इंडिया में इंडियन खाना, बाहर नहीं मैं छोले पूरी खा सकती जाके. So we eat everything abroad, but after 10 days I start craving for my idli sambar and my kadi chawals and my rajma chawals, and I love that.
But who doesn't love rajma chawal? I think it's the comfort food for a nation. Like if you choose one dish that can unite the nation, it's rajma chawal. but
it is.
But no, Minnie, tell me, your son is 17. People who are watching this are also 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the things that you told me that they should work out fair, they should chill and be themselves fair? But the important question is, everyone is not as chill as you know. In my case, in the case of a lot of families, they will say, finish the online courses. The only part of your speech would be that is the only part that they will extrapolate, and they will take only that.
I think that's incorrect. I think that's incorrect parenting, simply because everyone needs to let off steam.
Some parents don't know.
ये इसलिए incorrect parenting है, because you're just making more steam in a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker can only take that much steam. So only if they have time out. But then you need to have the discipline to say, okay, fun time is over. Now let me focus and do what I need to do, and get back to it. Because if you're going to take the advantage of leniency and then continue chilling out and watching TV all day, then it doesn't work. See, Indian parents generally are the best. Okay, I also feel Indian parenting is the best. But you have to, like I said, understand that Indian parents are also very into their kids. They also live their dreams and their aspirations through their children, and they cannot be faulted for it. So don't think that they are just trying to give you a hard time. They really want you to get the best, and you must understand that. So keep that 1/3 part of your day, totally focused on what they want you to do, which is study, focus, do that course, catch up on your, exams are 10th, 12th, IB, whatever. Do all that, but take time out for yourself and assure your parents that you will go back to being focused after the time is out. So I think all parents should understand that even kids need to use this lockdown productively, but also relax, let off steam, have fun, work out. It's a very good way to get your endorphins released, feel good about life, have good dinner table conversations. Don't get phone devices on the table. Chat with your parents, ask about your grandparents.
You should do a live only for the parents. I'll call all the parents.
Chalo, fix it.
1,000 parents.
I will give Gyan.
To listen to you. Yeah, really? Because
100%.
What you're saying is making a lot of sense. See, my parents wanted me to become a chartered accountant, lawyer, study at some fancy university, do 100 things. And look at me. I'm hosting a live.
Listen, I nearly did medicine. Then I did English honors. Then I did an MBA in marketing. I started my career with advertising. Look where I am now. I'm doing Insta Live with Rishabh.
You have
You don't know where life is going to take you, but education is super important. It could be a BTech or it could be an MBBS. It doesn't matter what you study and whether that's what you're using in life later on. The point is, if you don't have that life experience of a graduation degree or a postgraduate degree from a great college, you will never be able to apply anything to your career ever. And it shines through. Even though by default, I'm a TV host, I do know that I could make a mark only because I was an 18 dropout from school and into TV. You understand? What you read, what you assimilate, what you bring to the table becomes your personality when you're studying, and I think everyone should know that. अच्छा college means अच्छे लोग, अच्छी पढ़ाई, और वो चाहे आप कुछ भी करो, it's gonna make
affect you. The 5 people around you make you who you are.
Absolutely. Bang on. Boom.
But Minnie, did you ever think that when you were growing up, doing your English honors, you did all this TV hosting, you did all the biggest award shows, everything? Did you ever think your life would reach that pinnacle of that, like you would climb that ladder of success, that you would be on this show, Kuch To Corona? Had you ever thought about this?
If I did, see, I didn't set such high goals to begin with because, sometimes they don't happen, then you feel disappointed. So I didn't set the bar that high, but I kept going one step at a time. And see, eventually I've reached here.
Okay.
Lucky me.
Okay, I'm going to stop embarrassing myself and I'm going to ask you the last part of what we do. It's a quick rapid fire. Okay.
Rapid fire has to be quick, na?
Quick. Honestly.
I'm saying rapid. Quick rapid fire क्या होता है? Rapid fire तो quick ही होता है. Rapid
No,
is
not
quick.
necessary. No, not necessary.
Oh, you don't
If
you don't want the explanatory wala rapid fire. You want one word answers.
Yeah. See, explanatory rapid fire is an oxymoron, but people utilize oxymorons.
I love explanatory rapid fires. Okay, fine. We'll do a quick one. चलो.
ये गेस्ट को हर चीज में मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो ओपिनियन देना ही है. Like मतलब हर चीज.
तो बुला क्यों है? इसके साथ कर लो ना लाइव. आंसर देगा तुम्हारी जैसे.
Okay, just joking, yeah. Asha, okay. So tell me, first question. Okay, first question.
Yeah.
TV or cinema? What your preferred choice?
Okay. I prefer watching cinema. I prefer watching cinema and not television, but I'm not technically a part of cinema. I'm technically a part of TV, so I would say TV, but I feel TV and cinema is basically integrated and it's media, so I love the media.
Correct answer. You saved all your TV assignments and you got prospects.
Am I getting a hamper?
You're getting I'll deliver the hamper, but after the
Are you sending me a hamper or not? By Swiggy.
I'm sending you.
चल रहा है,
I'm sending that to you. Okay, second question. Your favorite.
So we'll smile.
But your favorite Bollywood actor.
Oh my God. Favorite Bollywood actor? Well, one of them just passed away day before. Irfan, Nawaz, Amir, Salman.
Okay. Bus. Otherwise, पूरा industry का list आ जाएगा. But and your favorite Bollywood actress?
I think I enjoy watching Alia.
One book that you'd recommend every young person read. Every young person should read this one book.
What is it's Oprah's book. It's called What I Know For Sure. Oprah.
What I know for sure is that this guest is really cool. And the last question that I want to ask you is, if not what you were doing today as TV host, as doing the bunch of things that you were doing with at home, the writer, list निकालो, वो वाला list निकालो.
ऊपर छत पे लिखो ना, teleprompter तो छत पे है.
But if not doing the things that you're doing, all right, if not doing the things that you were doing, if not the degrees that you've aggregated, what would you do in life if not the current?
I think I would be in medicine.
You'd be medicine. Did you get my question? My question was, if not what you're doing currently, which is if not.
But I'm not
host,
in medicine right
anchor.
now. I would have liked to be a doctor, if not this.
Okay.
And I nearly did.
So you would
I
like
sat for my PMT and got through medical college and opted to do English literature, and I've regretted it. Not regretted it, but felt wistful about it ever since.
Okay. Achha, okay. Chalo, now I'm asking 2 questions from the audience, okay? Before you go, I'm going to ask 3 questions from the audience. Chalega? Okay. Your views on, Anjani Raipat asks your views on WhatsApp University.
I'm so sick of it, Anjali, because WhatsApp University makes sure that you are badly informed there's always some kind of negativity or hate attached to it, and you suss out the dumbest, lowest IQ people because they're just forwarding without reading the articles themselves. So sometimes I write back and I tell them, have you read this? Do you know what this means? So do not. My WhatsApp status says no random forwards, please. So
No random.
that summarizes my view on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you were a teacher, what subject would you be teaching?
Public speaking. You can come and learn. Public speaking जैसा कोई subject है कि नहीं है?
नहीं है, ऐसा कोई subject नहीं है मिनी. And if
तो बना
you were
देंगे.
teaching, and if you were teaching the subject, I would have come in your class, sat, and I would have made so much fun of you. You would, with all the students.
Come to my university when I do start teaching. I'll teach you a thing or two.
You're so rude.
Backbencher type.
Yeah, I'm a proper backbencher who'll sit and who'll pass snide remarks. Achha, okay, ठीक है. Tell me, have you read Harry Potter?
Of course, who hasn't?
So somebody said eaters might appear.
Yeah.
What is your reaction if somebody said correct?
Appear. Okay, let me be fun. I don't know. My question is, dead eaters might appear where? When? They already here.
Imagine if they appeared right now on the screen. Instead of me, there was a Death Eater right in front of you. What is your first reaction? Acting job नहीं मिलेगा, अच्छा वाला नहीं था. I'm sorry.
You can't win everything. You gotta accept failure. What's
Achha,
my
what's your-
comfort food?
हाँ.
Idli sambar, kadhi chawal.
Idli sambar kadhi chawal. Okay. This is like North India and South India together.
National integration,
Okay.
idea of India, perfect.
100 on 100. 100 on 100. Achha, okay, last question from me to you. Which is your favorite platform to interact with young people? Be very careful. Very careful. There are a lot of people who are watching.
IIMUN official with Rishabh. Where's my check?
Giving it, sending it. But
Swiggy
before I
carries
give you
checks
the check,
also. Bhijwa dena.
This is a special gift from us to you, Mini. From us in Iman to you. Mini Mathur, this is your... This is the hamper.
Talk to the plant.
Talk to the plant. Achha, before you go, can we say hello to both your husband and to your son, if it's okay? If they are okay to say hello to us, if they're okay to say a hi and a hello to us.
You have to give me
If they
1
can
second then.
Okay, check. Very mean, huh? This lady is very mean. बहुत मेरे को बहुत जोक क्रैक किया उसने. Public speaking का जोक. बाद में मतलब एकदम पढ़ के आई है. Idea of India का जोक, public speaking का जोक, हर चीज में जोक पे जोक. No, but she's really sweet, yeah. She's really sweet, and she was a lot of fun. And she was not at all like she was chirpy. What did you guys think? Did you guys think she was cool? Everyone's like, she's so cool. Baba.
Okay,
Bad-
so they're in the
what-
middle of a workout and I had to
Okay.
bribe them with lots of things to come
Hi.
say hi.
Oh, hello.
How are you?
And that's Vivan.
Sorry,
Hi.
we're all panting and sweaty because it's just middle of a evening workout.
You know,
Dekho. रात
she's
को
boss,
workout हो रहे हैं.
she bosses around everyone, Kabir.
Totally.
She's bossing around everybody.
But see, they're calling me bossy, but I'm a cool mom, na?
He bossed us into coming here.
See, I bossed them into coming and saying hi. But,
No,
there are
but-
a lot of people watching.
Good to see you guys.
But thank you for coming, and sorry for troubling you in the middle of your work.
No problem.
He's asking, who's this? My name's Rishabh. I'm a wannabe stand.
No, I was saying, who are the kids? I know who you
He's
are.
asking me who are
Who are the kids?
the kids watching. So I was telling him
Who are the
who's
kids?
watching.
I know you because Mini told me that she's chatting with you.
Guys, please record this. Kabir Khan
I'm
knows
just
who
trying
I
to read
am.
also.
Next time some director producer asks who is this guy on the screen, remember, just tell them Kabir Khan knows him.
इस झाड़ पे चढ़ जाओ.
But thank you, Kabir. This is all young people from Ayman who are watching. I think
Okay.
Nivan was once unfortunately
Yeah.
part of.
MUN.
Yeah.
Great.
I think you were
Great
once a part of some MUN.
Of some MUN, yes, many, but not IIM. Of my own as well.
हो गया.
He said not Ayman. Okay, chalo bye.
Not yet.
Okay, then I'm not.
वो अपना खुद का सेक्शन एवियन कर रहा है. वो तुम्हारी तारीफें नहीं
But-
करेगा. तुम स्पॉन्सर के पहले वो राइस क्रैकर्स भेजो.
But he's a
पहले, फिर हम बोलेंगे.
You're Secretary General of your own
Yes.
MUN conference. That's
Yes.
super,
Yes.
yeah. That's really
Thank
awesome.
you. Thank you.
Remember, whenever you talk about MUN, don't forget IIMUN.
So I'll be at the back of my mind.
Thanks a lot.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. No, but your son is super sweet. Your husband is actually sweet. Yeah. Your husband is the one who's
Both-
actually sweet. But Tara, I feel bad.
What
for
do you mean
her. I
actual
feel very
sweet?
bad.
What about me? It all stems
What?
from me.
Correct. I could see
अभी
it in
मैं
the last
जाऊंगी
30
तो थोड़ी
minutes.
तारीफ कर लेना.
I saw it.
Okay.
I saw it in the last 30 minutes. Okay.
You did ना?
Okay, now मैं जा रहा हूँ.
जाओ.
हाँ?
Okay, bye.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
So thank you. I just wanted
Okay,
to.
bye.
Is this the end?
This is the end. This is
Okay.
the end, ladies and gentlemen. This is the end.
Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you to all the people who joined us on this chat. I think they're mostly from. Are they all IIM Manas? Like, are they from people from the app? Thank you so much, and I think it was fun. And Rishabh, you're damn good at this. I can see it. It's very difficult to be quick on the uptake and still make sense. I'm not saying you made sense all the time, but 90% there. It is very good, and especially when you haven't come to my public speaking class. Okay, so thank you for having me.
I will ace your public speaking class. I will be the
Done.
first
I'm
student, and
sure
I'll ace
about it.
On behalf
sure
of
about
everyone, here's thanking 197-year-old Mini Ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me, guys. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.